our initial impressions, and some of the tests we ran on the device. We all know about the Galaxy Note Edge in Samsung's portfolio, but now there is another representative of the curved screen Edge devices. Galaxy S6 Edge basically has the same screen size and physical dimensions as the original S6, but this time we have the curved on both sides screen. It is interesting how this thinner screen bezel and curved screen make the device feel smaller in hand. It is again 5.1-inch screen size, but it feels a bit smaller than the S6 due to this change. Panel is additionally cut on the back, so it could host the volume control keys and power button. It is interesting and strange at the same time because the contact point between the phone and your fingers is significantly smaller. Therefore, you need to be careful at least at the beginning and getting used to that different feeling. However, it still comes with a nice sturdy metal frame around the screen, Gorilla Glass 4 protecting the front and back of the phone. I would still prefer the metal case all around, but this is quite of a progress for Samsung anyway, so it's nice to have it. The frame looks very much the same as the one of the S6 except the bezel and keys I mentioned. Screen is absolutely lovely to watch once again, featuring this huge resolution of 1440 by 2560. That is the same as the Galaxy S6 and again means around 577 pixels density per inch protected by Gorilla Glass. I don't know if such resolution is as great as it looks on paper because there is not much of a difference for your eye compared to other high pixel density screens, but at the same time puts the GPU and battery under some pressure. However, it is a great looking screen and combined with the AMOLED technology gives you amazing image quality. Curved screen somehow gives you luxury and special feeling, but apart from that, it was hard for me to really make use of all the software settings we have. Yes, you can still assign some special functions to the curved size, like with the Note Edge for example, but I really don't find them crucial for my everyday smartphone use. Apart from that, it is really cool to have it in a standard mode. To see full tech analysis of the screen technology behind Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge, visit the link on the screen. Talking about the hardware, we already tested the Exynos 7420, which is great combining a pair of quad-core units that can provide you fluent Android and gaming experience. It is the only one provided with the units and is a significant Samsung's upgrade of their new flagship devices. To see more about the hardware, visit laptopmedia.com. Software and touchways are fantastic. I have never liked Samsung's interface, but now I have to admit that it is a serious improvement, although it is not totally redesigned. But there is the proof that even a small change can bring much better user experience. Camera is also great, at least compared to the previous models of the company. It also features a fingerprint sensor which is much more improved and now works easier and faster than the one in S5 for example. Overall, the Galaxy S6 Edge is a great but a bit strange smartphone. It is not exactly Galaxy S6, but in total it shares almost the same design and hardware except the screen format of course. At the same time, it makes it quite expensive compared to the S6 and makes him a direct competitor of the iPhone 6 Plus, which is definitely not an easy task to do. So I'm sure you won't regret buying this smartphone, but the question is, do you really need it? Does it really excite you so much that you're capable of increasing your probable Galaxy S6 budget with a couple of $100 US? And my answer is, I doubt that.